So on the loan, if we want to create a new file, loan, some of us have some confused ideas about what the loan's actually supposed to be. So basically you have your user inputs here. You have one for let's see, that one should be a float. So now input, and then you're going to say, please enter your interest rate. Okay, then your the time. This would be no, I got it. Please enter the life of the loan. So how much time is the loan going to be for, right? What else do we need? Let's check the lesson out. Need the principal of the loan. And the principal is how much money are you taking out on the loan? Input, please. Didn't count. Please enter your loan principal. I think that's how you spell principal when you're talking about loans. All right, so you take your user inputs, number of times, principal, yeah, number of times that the interest that they calculate and add interest per year. So input, please enter. So then number of times interest accrues. You don't really know what that is, just kind of like stick to 4 because that's usually the standard is most times they'll do 4 times a year. All right, so then we set up our equation. I'm not going to necessarily do the equation for you. I'm just going to show you how to set this up. Sir, that's okay. I meant to put N here, so thank you for that. Everybody owes Beerler $5. So then we set up our function. It says here, write a function. Now the function's job is to calculate and return the payment amount. And it will take in R, T, P, and N. Okay, so first thing it's going to do, calculate the total cost of the loan. Okay, that's first step. Are we done there once we've calculated that? No, that could be a task in and of itself, but the reality is that's not what I asked you guys to do. Once you get the loan calculated, it becomes pretty easy, but you want to think about it like this. I have the total cost of the loan. What kind of a payment is it? It is a monthly payment. I said it twice and I put it in bold once. It's a monthly payment. How many monthly payments in a year? Okay, so we're going to calculate the monthly payment amount, which is total cost of the loan divided by the total number of payments that you're going to make. It would be 12 per what? Number of payments is going to be 12 per year. And then here you just calc payment RTP N. and you're done. Questions on that? Oh, actually here. If we declare a variable, it'll be like TC equals that, right? Whatever you come up with for that. Payment equals that. And then we return what? Payment. And then I would say probably I would just do something like print your total monthly payment is something like that. Any more questions?